routine. Good night. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do something a little bit different than the standard get ready with me. I've seen this challenge done on James Charles's channel. He sings his own makeup routine, and on Nikki Tutorial's channel, where she had Davina Michelle, an amazing singer, create a song for her based on doing her makeup in 15 minutes. And I thought, you know, I love to sing, maybe I can do the same thing. I went back and forth a bunch of times on how I wanted to, you know, take on this challenge. And the way that I did it was I took some of my favorite songs that I'm sure are very popular, a lot of you might know them, and I recreated a portion of the song for each part of my makeup. So every single part of my makeup is a different verse to another song. All of the songs and the lyrics will be listed in the description box down below. I did write these lyrics previously and I do have them in front of me, so I'm reading off of them a little bit here and there while I'm actually putting my makeup on, so bear with me if I'm not making eye contact the entire time. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the section down below letting me know what your favorite part or what your favorite song was that I used. Share this video if you can, tell your friends, and I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe learned something new in the process. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Well, my mama, she told me you better prime your face. She said, baby, it helps your makeup to stay in place. She said, just use a little whatever product you like. I said, okay, I'll use Milk Makeup Hydro Prime. So let's prime our face, no trouble. Find a foundation for you. Picking the wrong shade is easy to do. I found the one that works for me. It just blends right in my skin, it's easy to see. I use a sponge or I use a brush. You can use either one, liquid or cream or something whipped. Set it with powder and tap it in. Let it sink in your skin. You'll get the coverage that you need. Now we'll proceed. So now we're gonna move on to our eyebrows. We'll fill them in and I will show you how. Well, first you'll have to brush them through. We'll shape them too. You will look so different when they are finished. When your eyebrows are completed, you will have the pick-me-up you needed. Your eyebrows really frame your face. A pencil or pomade, whatever is your preference. Please just don't forget this when your eyebrows are completed. Now time to contour. Cheekbones, temples, and on your jaw. Powder or a cream. Adding shadows wherever we need. Find sunlight. Add a color that'll suit you just right. Blend into your hairline. Tap it and blend it to make you sun-kissed. Give yourself a glow. Subtle or hardcore, use your best bronzer. You are the artist here. Add some shadows. Add some shadows. Add some shadows. Together. contour. Take out the blush that you love, a rose or a pink or a peach or a mauve, and sweep it all over your cheeks to get a little flush. Right on the balls of your cheeks, circle and tap and then sweep it away. And don't forget to follow me if you like what you see. My under eyes are dark and man, do I need someone to help me. The bags are showing through, looks like I need to get some more sleep. I'll use something close to red to correct my skin. Conceal and cancel, thank you Nikita Dragon. Say goodbye to blur, goodbye to the blue. These bags under my eyes are Prada, how about you? I've got 10,000 liners inside of these drawers, but I still pick this one from the drugstore. Something about it, I can't put it down. I'm a sucker for liners, pinks or browns. I really love them. Ooh. Once you line your lips, use a lipstick shade that's just a tad bit lighter. Top it with the gloss, then blot your lips, cause we're moving on. Bet you thought we were done, but we aren't done yet. Can't forget our mascara, that'll be our last step. First we should prime them, I'll be using Lancome. Then for the finale, grandiose. One coat to prime and one coat to lengthen. Do that one more time and watch your eyes brighten. Gorgeous makeup, you don't even need a filter. Finished look, it couldn't be any quicker. Shower you in all your setting spray. Makeup locked and lasting all day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And please subscribe if you like what you see. Leave a comment down below. And on Instagram too. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.